Hello bakers, and congratulations on starting your baking business if you haven't already started. I'm Lisa with Dessert Net Cafe, and in 2006 I started the first online only bakery. Yep, I baked and shipped Southern cakes and desserts all over the US right from my kitchen under the cottage food laws. So I know it's possible, and I know it's possible for you to build a six-figure plus baking business directly from your own kitchen. I'm telling you, at that point, that was my third business. And it was the happiest business I've ever had, hands down. But in order for me to be able to say that, I had to streamline my business in every element, in every capacity, so that it was drama free and it wasn't a stressful business and I wasn't overwhelmed. And I'm here to tell you that you can get to that point, that you can do it, and you can be financially successful with a baking business. But there's some things that I want to talk to you about, because here's the truth. As much fun as it is, it's delicious, it smells good, people love it, it's still a business. It's far more than flour and sugar. The bottom line is you're selling food to the public. This is a serious responsibility when it comes to health, safety, packaging, storage, how you're labeling the food, and of course the legal compliance of it all. If you're going to be a professional baker, master your skill. Learn your skill, and then let's talk business. And I will show you how to turn your baking skills into a moneymaker. So thank you for watching, and welcome to the business side of baking.